Of course, definitely. I have long-term and short-term goal on my hand. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking. I want to better communicator because English leads my future profession. That's why I'm learning. You are absolutely right. Personal life also required and professional life also required, right? Because we are living in India is a languages country. All state have different languages. We cannot learn and speak all state languages. At least we can speak English, right? English, yeah, that's why it is a global language, scientific language, acceptable language, right? And special English is the official language within India, right? And it is a judicial language also. Pardon? First of all, I prefer to go to government sector. After that, I want to set up one office to help the people. I want to collect information. I want to know about government guidelines, policy, scheme. After that, I want to set up my office to help the people. Right. You are right. You are right. Because that process will take time, right? But first of all, we have to update ourselves. We have to collect information and knowledge to appear that exam, and we have to follow their guideline policy means that kind of syllabus, how to prepare, how to crack that exam, right? It is not easy task because one post to 1 lakh people apply, two post 2 lakh people. Right, it is not a easy task, right? Because intelligent student also they cannot crack, but back batcher also they can crack, right? It is depend upon intelligence, knowledge, information. Not only your degree never lead you crack that exam. Your percentage never help you to crack that exam. Your hard work, your intelligence, your knowledge, your information, they will help you to crack that exam, right? That's why that's why it required only simple any graduation, not like a, that much you have a double degree, you completed your PhD or anything. But if you don't have roadmap how to crack that exam, then you cannot crack that exam, right? Yeah, that's why people they don't have roadmap. They don't make to-do list how to crack and how time they invest with the study, how to prepare with themselves. They don't have knowledge about preparation. That's why they appear long time, but they cannot crack that exam, right? But who made to-do list, how to prepare themselves, how to appear within short period, how much time they invest with study, if they make, then definitely anyone can they crack that exam, right? Yeah, you are right. I'm doing that kind of because I make always road make how to appear within short period because we have to practice how to writing speedily. That is a main motto because you have a deep knowledge everything, you know everything, no doubt, but you don't have writing skill speedily, then definitely you cannot complete all question answer during this period, right? That is a big issue. Intelligent student who has got a 99%, they also cannot crack that exam due to writing speed.